Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today's video will be interesting. I'll be going to supermarket to get some groceries. I think it will take only 5 minutes to reach the hypermarket. Alright guys, let's roll. After 5 minutes of drive, finally reached to the hypermarket. And let's grab some groceries. Grocery done. Let's give a sign to BMW. Wow, look at the sparkle. It's already getting dark soon. Let's go guys. But wait, tire pressure feels low. I think I might need to get this checked. I need to find a nearest petrol station. Okay, so here is the petrol pump. I can go here. So let's check the tire pressure, and if it is less, let's fill it up. For my car is taking 33, so let's put 33 here. Okay, then let's open this one here. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, it was less only. Let's fill this up. All tires are good. Let's go guys. It was a great day today. That's all guys. See you next time. Please like, share and subscribe.